Hi students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss public cloud model in more detail. As we all know the meaning of public, something public means it can be accessible by individual, every individual, right? So in case of public cloud model, a public cloud allows system and services. It allows system and services to be easily accessible to general public. With the help of public cloud, we can access any type of services like messaging services, application services, computer services, or like storage services, etc. Right? This is the general meaning of public cloud. As we all know, some very large IT companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft offer some cloud services, and to access all its services, we just need a good internet connection. Good internet connection is required, right? And let me tell you all this with the help of a diagram. Suppose this is organization 1, organization 2, 3, right? And this is a general public cloud. There is only one administrator here, and they provide some services like computer services. Second service is message service. Third service should be storage platform. It also provides software services, etc. Right? And all these are general public. Suppose I am a general individual, I can, if I want to access some software and I don't want to install or buy that software for my personal use, I just pay to this administrator and use any kind of software, right? And all the time cloud computing work on the principle of pay per use, right? So as I am individual, if I want to use some software, I will just take this software on pay per use mode, right? So this is a general public cloud model. So using a public cloud model, there are some benefits. The first benefit we have is that it is a cost effective thing, right? Cost effective means public cloud, with the help of public cloud, we can share same resources. We can share same resources with large number of people. So with the help of this feature, we can save a lot of money. The second benefit is reliability. The public cloud employs large number of resources from different locations. We can access different softwares or different services from different locations. As I have told you earlier, with the help of cloud, we can access anything from anywhere, right? If any of the resources fail, public cloud can employ another one. So this is very reliable for general public. Next point we have is that it is very flexible. Flexibility here means we can run any type of software or any service. We can run any software or service on any system. Here the public cloud can smoothly integrate with private cloud, which gives customer a flexible approach. So this is flexibility. The next advantage we have is location independence. Location independence. Location independence means we can access anything from anywhere, right? Public cloud services are delivered through internet, ensuring location independence. Next advantage is high scalability. High scalability. right? Scalability means cloud resources are made available on demand from a pool of resources. In cloud, we have a very large pool of resources, right? All these are the resources, and this is a pool of resources. That is, they can be scaled up or down according to the requirement. So it is very high scalable, right? So all these are the advantages of public cloud model, and now we will discuss some disadvantages. The first disadvantage is low security. Security is the major issue in case of public cloud. As we all know, data is hosted off-site. Data is hosted off-site and resources are shared publicly. Resources are public, right? Anyone can access any service. So therefore, it does not ensure high level of security. And the second disadvantage is less customizable. Less customizable. It means it is comparatively less customizable than private cloud. Less than private cloud. So the major disadvantage is only its low security, right? So this is all about public cloud model. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.